Hello everybody, my name is Yaragala Anthony. I'm a mathematics lecturer. I'm going to start chapter 3, trigonometry. See, trigonometry is a Greek word which means measurement of three sides of a triangle or three angles of a triangle. Okay, so consider a triangle ABC. Let us consider a triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degrees. Angle B is 90 degrees. Okay. Now this is called as a right angled triangle because angle B is 90 degrees. If in a triangle, if one angle is 90 degrees, we call it as a right angled triangle. Okay. So in trigonometry, we consider right angled triangles. Okay. Now this is a right angled triangle. Suppose angle C is equals to x degrees. I just take as a reference for us. Suppose angle C is equals to x degrees. Now the side which is opposite to angle C, that is AB, it is called as an opposite side. Now this is called as opposite side. Okay, and the side which is opposite to 90 degrees is called as hypotenuse. And the remaining side is called as a third side or adjacent side. Now naming the sides of the right angled triangle is very much necessary for us in trigonometry. Why? Because in trigonometry there are 6 ratios, namely first one is sine of angle C. Because with respect to C I have named the sides, so I am going to take as a reference that is angle C. Okay, sine of angle C, which is equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, then cos of angle C, which is equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Third one is tan of angle C, which is equals to opposite upon adjacent. Then the fourth one is sec of angle C, which is equals to hypotenuse upon adjacent. Then fifth one is cosec of angle C, which is hypotenuse upon opposite. Then the sixth one is cot of angle C, which is equals to adjacent upon opposite. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios in trigonometry. Okay. See, sine of angle C can also be simply written as sine C. That means sine of angle C can be simply written as sine C. So if I write sine C, it is as good as writing sine of angle C. So, and angle C is x degrees here. So I can even write this like this. That is sine x degrees. Okay, now these are the 6 trigonometric ratios, and even we call them as 6 trigonometric functions also. Okay, now after learning these 6 trigonometric ratios or 6 trigonometric functions, suppose if I take a right angled triangle like this, A, B, C. So A and C are two acute angles and angle B is 90 degrees. Suppose if I want to write in terms of angle A, all the 6 trigonometric functions in terms of angle A. First let us name the sides of this triangle. The side which is opposite to 90 degrees. Now this is 90 degrees. The side which is opposite to 90 degrees is always called as hypotenuse. Okay. And the side which is opposite to our required angle. Now this is what actually I am considering. So the side opposite to this is BC. Now this is called as opposite side. Opposite side. And the remaining side or third side is called as an adjacent side. Adjacent side. So whenever you want to write trigonometric functions or trigonometric ratios, first you have to learn which is the hypotenuse and which is the opposite. Okay. Then only you will be able to write the definitions of all those 6 trigonometric functions correctly. Okay, anyway, now in this example, I am going to write the 6 trigonometric functions in terms of angle A. Now let us see what it happens. The first one, sine A, that means opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, which is the opposite in this now? That is BC. So I will write here BC, and hypotenuse is AC. So I am writing AC. So sine A is nothing but BC upon AC. Second one, cos A, that is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Okay. So learning these definitions is very important. That means sine A means opposite upon hypotenuse, cos A means adjacent upon hypotenuse. So you should be perfect with these definitions. Then according to the triangle what it comes, we can write down there. Say for example now adjacent. So adjacent here is AB. So I write here AB, and the denominator is the hypotenuse, which is nothing but AC. So I will write here AC. Third one, tan A, which is equals to opposite upon adjacent. So tan A definition is opposite upon adjacent. So the opposite here is the BC, Okay. And adjacent here is AB. So I write BC upon AB. Then fourth one, let me write sec A, that is equals to hypotenuse upon adjacent. So hypotenuse is AC and adjacent here is AB. Then cosec A, that is hypotenuse upon opposite. So hypotenuse is AC upon opposite is BC. Then sixth trigonometric function is cot A. So that is equals to adjacent upon opposite. Okay. Adjacent here is AB and opposite here is BC. So with respect to A, we get the 6 trigonometric functions this way. I will take one more example so that I can make you confirm that you are thorough with these definitions. Okay. So very important thing is this. Sin A means opposite upon hypotenuse. And with these we can write with respect to the triangle. Okay. Cos A means adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan A means opposite upon adjacent. Then sec A, hypotenuse upon adjacent. Cosec A, hypotenuse upon opposite. Cot A, adjacent upon opposite. Okay. So keep